gone to the cabinet. The cabinet has not approved a bill. It is simply the draft of a bill under circulation within the government. The JDC members said, please give us a copy of that bill also, because there are so many drafts made over the last many years. Give us a draft of that bill also. So that draft was also given to them. That is the first point you should note as a fact. Secondly, that bill does not bring the Prime Minister under the purview of the Lokpal without qualification. It has very, very important exceptions, which somehow did not come out in the media interactions yesterday. Very important exceptions. Now, it's possible that finally the committee may come to a conclusion to include, not to include, or to include with qualifications. So I don't think we should jump to any conclusion based on a draft of a bill which is among over half a dozen drafts made over the last many years, which have been circulated for the purpose of information and facilitating discussion. There is no draft bill approved by the government.
And from a historical standpoint, let me just tell you, the first draft of a Lokpal bill was attempted in 1968, okay? And we've had many drafts in them, and many of them don't contain the office of the Prime Minister under the... Right, so therefore it is not as if, because people have not arrived at a consensus on this issue, and that's precisely what the Home Minister is saying.
आप लोगों में मंत्रियों और सांसदों को इसके दायरे में लाने में सहमति है, तो कोई इशू नहीं है। तो मेरा मैं जानना चाहती हूँ अपनी जानकारी के लिए कि सांसदों का विशेषाधिकार होता है, तो अगर वो संसद के बाहर कुछ करते हैं तो वो मुद्दे भी संसद में हमेशा उठते हैं, जिसके लिए स्पीकर से, तो क्या वो वहाँ पे प्रिविलेज का मामला नहीं है अगर आप लाते हैं?
जो बाहर मुद्दे उठेंगे वो लोकपाल के दायरे में आएगा, लेकिन जो संवैधानिक प्रोटेक्शन है 105 धारा वो बोलने की और वोट करने की, वो संवैधानिक प्रोटेक्शन है, उस ढांचे को हम बदलना नहीं चाहते।
यस स्वराज।
कपिल, I have a slightly hypothetical question. I mean, if you can just answer that, we would be glad. You said that you are going to write to all the chief ministers and political parties. Now about 15, 16 chief ministers are Congress chief ministers. And I'm not prejudging, of course, but I mean, it would be inconceivable to think that they would really, go against the party line or what the Congress party thinks, number one. And especially on the issue of, conduct of members of parliament. On that, political parties and chief ministers, of course, they would, I'm sure they would have, a view which would be very similar. I mean, why should they say that? I'm not prejudging, of course, again, but if you can just explain that,
I think even while you say you're not prejudging, you're presupposing that they will come to one view. That's not correct. You see, party will take a view. But in the meanwhile, we are asking the Chief Minister to consult his colleagues, to consult his senior civil servants, his Advocate General. He can consult anyone and give us a view. I think views must be expressed freely in this country. When a decision is taken, of course it will bind whoever is bound by that decision. I am quite confident that the Chief Ministers will express their views freely. I am quite confident political parties will express their views freely.
And besides Chief Ministers and political parties, are you also going to write to other civil society members that we will consult?
Well, actually, this is what Mr. Sibal said. The non-official members on the JDC say that they are consulting other civil society members. And they have suggested that at an appropriate time, we should call some well-recognized organizations which have a view on the subject. We have not come to that point yet. But at some point, we would have to consult some organizations which have expressed themselves on this issue in the past. Not all, but some.
But this circular you're not giving to...
No, this letter is only to the Chief Ministers and the political parties.
Yes, please, sir.
Yes.
So this is not on the Lokpal bill. There is a report that's been published today. I don't know if you've had a chance to see it, which claims that the former telecom minister, Mr. Dayanidhi Maran, had favored giving licenses to a telecom company in exchange for some investment in his family franchise. A lot of people are drawing similarities of this transaction to the same link that was drawn between BB Realty and...
Today, let us concentrate on issues for which we are here together. We'll talk about it later. Yes.
भ्रष्टाचार से जुड़ा लोकपाल बिल और दूसरी कहानी है ब्लैक मनी की।
बाबा रामदेव 4 तारीख से अनशन पर बैठने वाले हैं। मेरा सवाल ये है कि क्या सरकार की तरफ से कोई व्यक्ति उनसे संपर्क में है और क्या 4 जून से पहले कोई मंत्री उनसे मुलाकात करने वाले हैं?
तो वित्त मंत्री और उनके जो अधिकारी हैं वो उनसे वार्तालाप कर रहे हैं। हाँ, सीबीडीटी की तरफ से अधिकारी जो लोग हैं, 2-3 अधिकारीगण हैं जिनके साथ चर्चा हो रही है। Why don't you just wait and see?
No, Judge, see, it's not a secret. It's not a secret. The officers of the Finance Ministry have met with Swami Ramdev and have held discussions with him, and the discussions are continuing. So let us wait for those discussions to throw up some results, and then we will respond.
Yes, there was a question from here. Smita, you had a question? Okay. Anybody else? You have. Last question.
Last question.
Sir, what remains seriously unsaid, you say that you have written to the chief ministers because they will be having lokayuktas. And your questionnaire says that whether PM should be there or not. But if there is a lokayukta, the parallel body to the Prime Minister is the Chief Minister.
Of course.
Now you are eliciting the views of a Chief Minister on an issue whether the CM should be under the purview of the lokayukta.
No, please. The CM is also a citizen of India. He has a view whether the Prime Minister should be within the Lokpal or not. Therefore, the CM, like any other responsible elected official, should be allowed an opportunity to express his view whether the Prime Minister of the country... Just a moment. Whether the Prime Minister should be within the Lokpal or not. We are not yet asking him the question whether the CM should be within the Lokayukt or not. That is only when the Lokayukt provisions are drafted, we will know what the Lokayukt provisions are. We have not even gone to the Lokayukt provisions yet. Why don't you allow me to answer, please? What is natural, what is unnatural, I'm not in a position to say. All I can say is we are discussing the Lokpal bill, and one of the suggestions made is the Lokpal bill should also have a chapter providing for a Lokayukt. We have not yet gone into the contents of that chapter. So at the moment we are asking the Chief Minister, like we are asking any other political leader, should the Prime Minister of the country be within the purview of the Lokpal? And I think this Chief Minister's view is a valuable opinion. When we come to the Lokayukt, we will certainly ask the other questions also.
As I said that on this press conference, we have come for a special particular issue because of what appeared in the press yesterday. We're talking about yesterday. I will address that issue.
Okay, the final question. I think there's one more that side.
This was a special briefing on the Lokpal bill. That's why we've come here. This is not the end of it. The GOM will be briefing you again in a couple of days. We will... I'll brief you tomorrow. There's no issue on that. Don't worry about it. We'll brief you tomorrow. We're not going to... See, we are here to answer questions. We'll answer all your questions. No issue.
Yes, any other question on Lokpal? Yes.
40 odd years, there is no consensus on this bill. And even till today, there is a divergent view. So if the state government or the political parties give views which is again is divided or there is no consensus, then what is the roadmap for the country?
As I said, the roadmap is inquiry, discussion, making choices, evolving a consensus and taking a decision. We are not running away from the problem. We will get the views, but please be assured, government will make up its mind on each one of these issues and present it in the JDC.
Not only that, government is committed to present a strong Lokpal bill in the monsoon session of Parliament. That's a commitment of the government. That will happen.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. On what? Lokpal?
Yeah.
All right. Very last question.
बहुत शुरुआत से मांग की जा रही थी कि जितनी भी प्रोसीडिंग्स हैं मीटिंग्स की, जेडीसी की, उन सबको वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया जाए या कम से कम ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड को भी पब्लिक किया जाए। उन मीटिंग्स के दौरान कई ऐसी चीजें जो मिनट्स आपने शेयर किए हैं, उनमें बार बार ये कहा गया कि खुद आपको चिदम्बरम साहब और कपिल सिब्बल साहब के अभी पब्लिक कंसल्टेशन या दूसरे जो स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं उनके कंसल्टेशन का समय नहीं आया है। अभी आपने बताया कि आज कल की जो मीटिंग हुई उसमें अचानक आपको ख्याल आया कि राज्य सरकारों से और दूसरे राजनीतिक दलों से भी कंसल्ट करना चाहिए। तो कैसे यह ख्याल आया, और अगर ये कंसल्टेशन जरूरी था तो 6 अप्रैल को जब आपने जेडीसी बनाई थी तब क्यों नहीं उसी समय से प्रोसेस शुरू किया गया और इतना समय क्यों जाया?
जो आपका सवाल है ये अपने आप में सही नहीं है, क्योंकि अचानक किसी को ख्याल नहीं आया। मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि जो पहला ड्राफ्ट लोकपाल बिल का हमें दिया गया था उसमें ये लिखा था कि हम ऐसा ही कानून ऐसा ही कानून राज्य सरकारों में बनाना चाहते हैं जहां के लोक आयुक्त की हम नियुक्ति करेंगे, और उसके लिए राज्य सरकारों से तो बातचीत करना लाजमी है। तो ये तो पहले दिन ही बात हो गई थी, कब चर्चा होगी ये तय करना था, और अब हमने तय कर दिया कि हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं। तो इसमें क्या, इसमें अचंभे की तो बात है नहीं, और अचानक हुआ नहीं।
तो आप मीटिंग के जो मिनट हैं क्या उनको पब्लिक करने जा रहे हैं? क्या वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग तो आपने की नहीं?
जहां तक
ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग आपने कहा कि ऑफिशियली हो रही है, तो क्या उनको आप पब्लिक करेंगे?
जहां तक वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग का सवाल है, इस बात पे भी चर्चा हुई और हमने ये तय किया कि हमारा जो प्रोसीजर है पार्लियामेंट का, कोई भी कमेटी की जो प्रोसीडिंग्स है वो वीडियो रिकॉर्ड नहीं होती, और क्योंकि ये एक कमेटी बनाई हुई है उसी संदर्भ में इसकी भी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग अब नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन बाद में इसके बारे में भी चर्चा हो सकती है।
जी नहीं, ऐसा क्या मीटिंग के रिकॉर्ड बताते हैं?
Question has been answered. Yes.
Okay. Now on this briefing is only on the Lokpal bill. I know that you have other questions. As the chair of the GOM, let me assure you that other questions will be addressed tomorrow. There will be another briefing tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Of Morani families in the Night Riders, and also do they have any financial role to play in the IPL final?